Humans spend 90% of their time inside buildings, which contributes to 40% of the global energy demand. To revolutionize this, Physee developed a smart window which generates electricity and controls the indoor climate. Physee managed to diffuse its technology in a short time. It started off with a lab in Delft, and then Physee got its first pilot project in Eindhoven. They went on to acquire 3 projects in Amsterdam, and they have 2 other projects coming up in Hoofddorp and The Hague. Their first international project will soon start in Ireland. So how did the founders frame the opportunity to accomplish this? The idea for the product developed from a master's project in Delft. Initial funding was acquired with an exceptional proof of concept through prize money from competitions and investors. After the success of the pilot project, Physee got the motivation to develop the product even further. The founders of Physee were determined to make their concept into a product. They were one of the pioneering companies to produce PV integrated windows. Being a pioneer means you have fewer competitors, resulting in exponential development within the company by creating different products. With the world currently running towards sustainability, the demographic and social factors were perfect for the introduction of this integrated technology. Currently, there are 11 companies in the world competing with Physee, leading to improvement of the products. Integrated electricity generation in the windows without compromising on aesthetics is the unique selling point of Physee. Physee seized the opportunity and focused on the world's largest sector, the real estate sector. From this perspective, we can understand Physee's value proposition. For all construction companies who intend to make their buildings more energy efficient, our smart window is a conservatory window that provides isolations, energy generation and climate control. Unlike any isolated window or power generating window produced by any other company, our product both generates electricity and actively controls the indoor climate. With this unique value proposition, Physee has traversed almost all growth stages. After discovering the opportunity they had, they quickly patented the products and acquired their first funding. To create larger market opportunities, the ambassador projects provided the perfect outcome. They installed windows in different ambassadors' houses to quickly acquire feedback. The pilot projects in Eindhoven caused them to traverse the pre-organization phase. Quickly afterwards, Physee acquired more funding, new projects in Amsterdam, and started a collaboration with the Delft municipality. As of today, they have reached the sustainability phase, where their product has gained much recognition. They have raised over 1.5 million and have started to launch their products internationally. Initially, Physee faced quite a lot of barriers, with the most important one being a lack of interest of glass manufacturers to adopt Physee's products. This was circumvented by employing the redesign niche strategy. The idea of PowerWindows was expanded into SmartSkin. Next, Physee faced production issues. This barrier was circumvented by using the demo and develop niche strategy and the subsidized niche strategy by applying for subsidies and creating a 6 square meter power window. At the moment, the only barrier Physee is facing is the need for testing and developing their system. This can be circumvented by applying the high-end niche strategy, where they focus on clients with an interest in sustainability. So where do the beachhead markets lie for Physee? The beachhead market customers for Physee are the real estate developers that focus on residential apartments and commercial office spaces. Physee has not yet implemented any specific features that make their business circular, but possibilities for circularizing in the future include using recycled glass, creating integrated systems with a PV power supply and central heating, innovating their market position by offering climate control systems separately, periodic software updates and smart window maintenance, and finally, making the smart windows disassemblable for possible recycling. A business model always starts with a value proposition, which we saw previously. The customer segment Physee serves are real estate developers, building owners, and private homeowners. Physee intends to maintain its customer relations via online contact, personal meetings, and automated software updates. Key resources are its researchers, engineers, and investors, and key activities are the development of the power windows and developing the code for the climate control system. Partners are the manufacturers of the glass, batteries and solar cells at the TU Delft. Revenue is expected to come from the sales of windows, battery leases and fees for the climate control systems, and main costs are R&D, salaries and the building lease. The beneficiaries of the technology are the building owners and residents, as sustainable benefits are reduced energy consumption and pollution. For a future business model, we assume Physee to be a major player in the smart window market, causing changes in the key partners and the key activities. To what extent they will continue to grow? We'll have to see that in the future.